guys, Zapidom here, and welcome to a video where I show you how to get a puppet like this, just a regular old puppet that you move with your hand, and turn it into a moving puppet. You would expect that from most puppets. So what you do is you take your hand, and then you put it in a shape like this. If you don't have a puppet which has this on it, this top, to move it, then click away from this video because it won't be any use. But anyway, you have to take your hand and rock it from side to side like this, and boom, you've got a moving puppet. But what if you want to add more of a jig to it? So you can move your hand forwards and backwards, starters, or you can move it up and down like this, or combine the two motions. You can rock your hand from side to side again, and you got a puppet that has movement.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like in 3, 2, 1 on this video. Comment and subscribe. And stay tuned for more Zapidom videos. Bye!